got you the Rubik's Cube. Happy?
Yes.
Good. That's the last thing I'm ever giving you.
You
are not appreciative. I buy you things, and then when I take them away, you don't notice. Unless I take them away right in front of your face. I'm throwing this rubbish away. I swear. Can't believe you. You're always lying. I got you a diamond crown. And you didn't even say thank you. I got you an A. I got you signs. I got you everything you could ever want.
You didn't give me one thing I want, a Bugatti.
I got you 12 of those, and you crashed all 12, and your
My boyfriend did.
Your license plate is suspended! I am your mother.
No,
I can do whatever I want with you. Why did you slap me? Oh, wait. You're faking because you're too scared to hit your mommy. You're getting nothing else. So don't have big hopes for... Put that back in the trash.
No.
Put it back in the trash. Or I'll throw it in the car.
I hate
Stop fake hitting me. And you did not hit me. Ow! Give me the book. I'm putting this in the garbage disposal. And there's grapes all over the floor. Your clothes are on the floor. There's a pizza box. Stop trying to hit me. Ah! You're grounded, young lady. Can't believe you. I'm throwing away your ruby purse. And this is the oldest phone in the world, and I've deleted all your contacts. Taking your diamond crown, your crystal, New York.
I just called the police.
For what?
911. My mom is being silly. She's being tired of this. Okay, I'll be there in a minute.
You're going to the police station?
You are.
Nope. Stop hitting me. I am your mother, and you are not going to do anything. Stop scratching me. You do that one more time, and I will put you right back in that orphanage. Stop picking your nose. You're winning. I'm calling that orphanage, and you're going back.
No, I ain't. A fart.
So, orphanage accepts farters. Hello? Yes, I need to take her back there. She's not behaving. She is lying. Her grades are not good. She's cheating on tests. I try to throw her things away. She gets them out of the garbage, so I have to put them in the garbage disposal. I threw away her diamond crown, her phone, her New York statue, her crystal, and her ruby statue. I am not being a little too aggressive. Fine then. Oh, you don't have enough kids. Oh, I'll send her to the... What? No. Blue Orphanage isn't full. Then I'll send them to Williams. No buts. Oh, shut up, lady. You don't know anything.
You don't know I'm here.
You're going to the orphanage, and yeah, I do know you're here. If you wouldn't have said you don't know I'm here, I probably wouldn't have found you. Why are you stroking my face? You're going to Williams Orphanage. They're the harshest orphanage in town! going?
Nowhere that you don't know.
Always works. Wouldn't be surprised if she's dead by now. But I don't kill. I just make him pass out. Go to sleep! Why are you laughing, young lady? This is a serious matter. Stop it! You either lay down in the bed or I'll send you to the orphan. Not an orphanage. I'll send you outside the road with other orphans that never had a parent before, and they'll eat you up because they're so hungry for a new kid. Go to sleep. That's what it's called. Pack your stuff.
No.
Stop! Why are you like this? I said, why are you like this? Stop! Stop! Why are you like this? Why do you misbehave? Why do you misbehave?
You don't know. You never. Because you're my step. You're my stepmom.
No, I'm not. I'm your real mom.
You're my step.
Why are you like this?
You're my step.
Mom, your real mom died.
I don't need a stepmom. I can be my myself.
You're 14.
I can still be my myself.
Dare push me into the wall again. Stop. Young lady, you are not going to treat your own mother like this.
You're my step. You're my step.
What's wrong with stepmoms? What's wrong with stepmoms?
None of your business.
What is wrong with stepmoms?
You're mean.
Only mean because you misbehave. Oh, look! Your earrings. Just throw them out. Take that gun off my head. What did you do? What was that? Choked you with a chain. Just gotta.
Well, it's just a paper microphone.
Susie, come on. Yeah.
Why do I have to hide in the
Still
closet?
alive! No! If you're actually gonna throw it at me, throw it! That's it. You're out of here. You are out. Exits this way. Go out. Exits this way.
Are you going back on the door?
Goodbye and goodbye. Can't stand those kids. Someday they'll revenge on me.